Look no further than the 2023 Mazda CX-9. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This handsome CX-9 delivers family-oriented utility with a big dose of driving pleasure. Relax in the near-luxury feeling cabin, feel the adrenaline of smooth athletic power, and enjoy the confidence that comes with three-row spaciousness and advanced safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. Practicality is nothing short of delightful in this beautifully designed CX-9. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.